Hey, Dad. I have a question for you.
What do you got?
Can we go fishing?
Fishing? Man, it's raining and windy and look at the weather out. It's crazy.
Please, I really want to go.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right, go get ready. We're going fishing. Here. Sink all the way to the bottom. Good job.
I got a fish. I got a fish. I'm going to get in. I got a fish.
Keep your tip up.
I got a fish.
Woohoo! What you got there?
A croaker.
Alright, let me get it on.
Hi, buddy.
Good job, dude.
Dad, I got a fish. I got a fish. Woo! That's a croaker.
Nice, dude. Good job, bud.
What's your favorite kind of fish, Dad?
I like to catch pompano, and I like to catch snook, and I like to catch all the fish offshore too, like mahi and ahi.
Well, my favorite fish is probably mahi-mahi.
You like mahi-mahi?
And I like
Yeah.
Dad, I have some really loose too.
Really?
Yeah.
What happened?
Like, I don't know. I was just messing with it, and then it, like, what?
Oh my gosh, Nash. That's really loose.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I'm gonna have to take you to the dentist.
No, Dad, I don't want to go to the dentist.
I have to take you to the dentist. I don't have the tools to take out of a tooth.
Hey, Dad, I have an idea. Bluegabe gave us a pair of Danco pliers.
Danco pliers?
Dad, you do it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you positive?
Yes.
I'm no dentist. All right, here we go. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
1,